Welcome. If you're tired of constant pop-ups from X, formerly known as Twitter, on your PC, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to prevent push notifications on X using the latest update. Let's get started and reclaim your browsing experience. First, open X in your preferred web browser and log into your account as usual. Once you're in, take a look at the menu on the left side of your screen. Scroll down and click on the More icon. This will expand a list of options for you. From the expanded menu, select Settings and Privacy. This is where you can customize your account to suit your preferences. Next, find and click on Notifications. You'll see a range of options related to how and when you receive alerts from X. Within the Notifications section, look for Preferences, click on it, and then select Push Notifications. This is the area where you control whether X can send you those instant pop-up notifications on your desktop. Now, you'll see a switch or toggle for push notifications. If it's blue or turned on, simply click it to turn it gray or off. This action will disable push notifications, meaning you'll no longer get those interruptions while browsing or working on your PC. If your browser prompts you to confirm or save your changes, make sure to do so. This step ensures your new preferences are locked in. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully turned off push notifications for X on your PC. You can now enjoy a more focused and distraction-free experience without unwanted alerts popping up. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, consider sharing it with others who might need a break from notifications. Enjoy your quieter, more peaceful time online.